Everybody's having much more fun than me, I got FOMO.
For my final project in English, I would like to develop an argument around the relationship between social media and the theory proposed by Baudrillard. I will explain a concept called FOMO in order to support and provide evidence for my claims. This acronym stands for fear of missing out and refers to the desire to stay connected to others because of the fear or regret in missing out an exciting or interesting event that others are having. This concept relates to and exists because of social media. My goals for this particular supporting evidence are to define the several aspects in social media that create this feeling, the negative effects of experiencing FOMO, and ways to avoid or counteract it. In our English class, we have steadily discussed and analyzed the idea of the medium and the roles of receiver versus producer. We explored three important people, McLuhan, Enzensberger, and Baudrillard. However, I want to focus mainly on Baudrillard and expand on the themes surrounding his theory of reciprocity. I will briefly state McLuhan and Enzensberger's theories in order to have a foundation and background information to more clearly build my main argument off of. My main argument is based around social media and the theory of reciprocity. This is the idea that a person is both the roles of producer and receiver at the same time. In regards to social media, this is accomplished through commenting, sharing, and viewing photos. The social media is a common example of this theory because of those aspects and in the manner of creating an online community. However, I will argue that social media is flawed in being a perfect example of what Baudrillard was imagining. I say this because the community formed is only superficial. Using FOMO as my main example, social media does not create a real sense of community and support system, but rather encourages individualism. I'd like to create a website or blog through WordPress in order to reflect my argument. Since this final project will have both informative and argumentative aspects to it, I think this method would be best. A website or blog allows me to use multiple types of digital resources, especially text, images, and a short video. I hope to also get personal statements from a various range of people on this topic. This topic is relevant since social media and technology are seen as vital to daily life in our modern society. Important themes I hope to cover throughout my argument are sense of community, identity, and the appearance created by social media versus the reality.